Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick guide on how to disable SMS notifications on Facebook using your PC, especially after the recent updates. If you find those text alerts a bit overwhelming, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. Click on your profile picture to access your account settings. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will open up more options for you. Now, click on Settings to proceed to the main settings page. Once you're in the settings, scroll down the left-hand side until you find the Notifications section. This is where you can manage all your notification preferences. Scroll down again to the SMS section. Here, you'll see your current settings for text notifications. To customize this, look for the option under SMS message frequency. Click on it and select Required Notifications. This option ensures that you only receive important messages and reduces the clutter of unnecessary alerts. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled unwanted SMS notifications on Facebook. This simple process helps you stay focused on what matters most without those constant distractions. Thanks for watching and enjoy your quieter Facebook experience.